Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we show you how to print reports from your tablet. First, open the menu. Then tap on Print Report. A pop-up will then appear with a list of available reports. Each report will be printed on the connected printer from the POS system. If you want to print it on a regular printer, you have to use the back office reports. Select Stock Report to get a list of the products with a stock value. By selecting Shift Report, you get a report with the turnover and the payment methods for the user that is logged in. To print a report with the total turnover and details per waiter, tap on All Shifts Report. Select Cash Transaction Report to retrieve a report of all the cash transactions made. To get a list of all the actions taken, for example, moving a table, removing a product from an order, tap on Attention Report. Note, this report will only retrieve the information of the current logged-in user. To retrieve a list of all actions performed by all users, for example, moving a table, removing a product from an order, tap on Attention Summary Report. Select Product Report to get a summary of all sold products, including the amount and the turnover. To receive a report on the sales of the individual turnover groups, tap on Turnover Group Report. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know how to print reports from your tablet.